Oh, you've got to be kidding me, Tulsa.
The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Haskell County in southeastern Oklahoma, northeastern McIntosh County in southeastern Oklahoma, southeastern Muskogee County and east central Oklahoma, until 1:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:23 a.m. Central
Well,
Daylight
Matthew,
Time,
AS25 is now confirmed.
located 3 miles east of Lake Eufaula State Park, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail.
Damn.
This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Warner, Purim, Whitefield, Lake Eufaula State Park, Briartown, Anapa. This includes Interstate 40 in Oklahoma between mile markers 264 and 282. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.